यूक्रेन के सदर व्लादिमीर ज़ेलेंस्की ने बीबीसी से बात करते हुए कहा है कि रूसी सदर व्लादिमीर पुतिन ने तीसरी आलमी जंग शुरू कर दी है और उन्हें रोकने का वाहिद तरीका भरपूर फौजी और मुआशी दबाव है। बीबीसी को दिए गए एक इंटरव्यू में ज़ेलेंस्की का कहना था कि मेरा मानना है पुतिन तीसरी आलमी जंग पहले ही शुरू कर चुके हैं। सवाल ये है कि वो कितने इलाके पर कब्जा कर सकेंगे और उन्हें कैसे रोका जाए। रूस दुनिया पर एक मुख्तलिफ तर्ज जिंदगी मुसल्लत करना चाहता है और लोगों को अपनी पसंद की जिंदगियों को तब्दील करना चाहता है।
We have different views regarding a third world war. I believe that Putin has already started it. The question is how much territory he will be able to seize and how to stop him, not because Russia must not win, but because Russia wants to impose on the world a different way of life and change the lives people have chosen for themselves.
जब उनसे पूछा गया कि क्या रूस की जानिब से जंग बंदी के लिए यूक्रेन से उसके मशरकी इलाके के 20% हिस्से और जनूबी इलाकों खेरसन और ज़ापोरिज़्हिया के कई इलाकों का मुतालबा एक माकूल दरखास्त नहीं, उनका कहना था कि इस बारे में उनका नुक्ता नज़र मुख्तलिफ है और वो इसे महज ज़मीन के टुकड़ों के तौर पर नहीं देखते। यूक्रेनी सदर का ये भी कहना था कि इससे हमारी पोजीशन कमज़ोर होगी और ये वहाँ रहने वाले हमारे लाखों लोगों का साथ छोड़ देने के मुतरादिफ होगा। मेरा मानना है कि ये इनखला हमारे मुआशरे को तकसीम कर देगा। ज़ेलेंस्की का मज़ीद कहना था कि मुझे यकीन है कि आज पुतिन को रोकना और उन्हें यूक्रेन पर कब्जा ना करने देना पूरी दुनिया के लिए फतेह होगी, क्योंकि पुतिन सिर्फ यूक्रेन पर ही नहीं रुकेंगे।
I see it as abandoning, weakening our positions, abandoning hundreds of thousands of our people who live there. That is how I see it. And I am sure that this withdrawal would divide our society.
Steve Witkoff, Trump's negotiator, goes to Moscow, he talks to Putin, he comes back, the messages are then relayed to you. It seems to be, a lot of people would say, that he is absorbing Putin's talking points, Russia's narrative, and they are putting it to you and getting you to agree that they're putting you under a lot of pressure.
Today I cannot say that for certain. Do you know why? Because Witkoff says the opposite. I met with your group more often than with the Russians. That is what he says. Indeed, I have had many meetings with the President Trump, while President Trump has only one meeting with Putin. My opinion, they should stop the Russians, not try to please them, because they will lie anyway. They care only about themselves and their own interests.
Donald Trump says different things at different times. But among the things he said is that you are a dictator and that you started the war. It's not helpful, is it, for you?
I'm not a dictator and I didn't start the war. That's it.
Can you trust President Trump, say on security guarantees, because he is a man who changes his mind?
It's not only President Trump. We are talking about America. As presidents, we have fixed terms. We want guarantees for 30 years, for example. Congress is needed. Presidents change, but institutions stay.
What about the personal cost on you? You've got a tough job.
I still have energy. It can't be any other way. We don't know how this war will end, but for now we are not losing, and this is important.
But Vladimir Putin isn't going to end this war, is he? Unless he's under massive pressure, and he doesn't seem to be.
Yes and no. We will see. Yes and no. He doesn't want, but doesn't want doesn't mean he will not.